Okay, so considering that data is fragmented, it's dispersed across teams, departments, entities around the world, different suppliers, how would a company begin their data collection journey?
So I think, well, you called it a data collection journey. So you already acknowledge that it is a data collection journey. I think many organizations believe it is, I need to report on my emissions journey. Yeah. And that's where the first mistake is. Your goal is not to prepare a report on your emissions. Your goal is to master your data. Yeah. Because if you are a master of your data, then you are able to produce any report, right? And I think the steps to kind of mastering your data as an organization are understanding what are the business processes that create this data. So if I'm looking at different emission subcategories and looking at, I need to capture, measure my scope one emissions for mobile combustion. Well, do I understand how I purchase fuel in my company? Right? Am I purchasing fuel and delivering it to a depot, and then consuming it from that depot by issuing it out to hundreds of vehicles? Or am I purchasing fuel and consuming it through many different points of sale? And I think understanding the business processes within a company that create data, understanding where that data is being captured within that within that organization as part of that business process, and figuring out what is the most granular source of truth I can access to use this data to calculate my emissions, and then obviously making sure how does that connect back into my financials. Because if I can't, kind of make those connections, I'm not able to create valuable information for leaders within my organization.